Hello, welcome to Onlive Server. So today in this video I am going to tell you about our USA dedicated server hosting plans that our company is offering right now. So as you all know that Onlive Server is one of the leading providers of cheap dedicated and VPS servers in the service industry. So in this video I am going to tell you about the same, but our location will be fixed to USA, because today I am going to discuss about the USA dedicated server plans that we are offering. Here you can scroll down on our website and you can view all our different plans, the information regarding various products which we are offering right now. Also, if in this whole process if you feel any issue or you are in any query or any doubt, you can just click on the lower side of this button, that is the Let's Chat window. You can just click it here and you can just enter your basic details and you can start chatting. Now what you have to do, you have to just go and click on dedicated server panel, which is located on the main dashboard on the upper side of our website, and you can just click on dedicated server USA. Okay, just click on dedicated server USA. See, this page will be redirected to the dedicated server USA plan. Now see what is in the USA, that our physical data center is located in various locations, like 4 to 5 locations. See, one location of our DC is in Kansas City, USA. Okay, so for this data center we have following plans starting from, see, these are the all plans which are starting from DSX1 to DSX7, which varies up to the Kansas City, USA. Our other physical data centers are located in Texas, California and New York. Okay, and for all the 3 locations we have the plan which starts from DSX8 to DSX11. Now see this plans. Now in this video I am going to discuss only about our Kansas City data center plans, which is starting from DSX1 and ending at DSX7. Suppose you click on any of this button, that is like buy now. Now as soon as you click on this, see, this is the data, this is the our panel, or you can say this is the cart page of our USA dedicated server. Now here you can see that here you can find the various plans, like say this is the first plan, okay, which is DSX1 plan. This is the second plan, which is DSX2. This is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh plan. Up to the 7th plan our location is of Kansas City, that is our physical data center is located here. But from DSX8 plan our location of physical data center is at New York, California, Texas location. Okay, so now what you have to do is, see, in the USA dedicated plan DSX1 what you can find that these are the technical details which we are offering with the DSX1 plan. That is the 4 core, you will get 3 GHz plus CPU speed, 16 GB DDR3 RAM, 1 TB HDD storage, /29 IPv4 range IP. Okay, the location will be Kansas City. If you are going for DSX4 plan, see, here you will get 4 cores. Okay, 3.4 GHz. Here the RAM will be 32 GB. What is the difference? Here the RAM is 32 GB, but here the RAM is 16 GB. Okay, here you are getting 1 GB port. Okay, 30 terabytes per month bandwidth you are getting, but here you are getting 15. Similarly, see, here you are getting 15 terabyte. So there is a very small differences, like here you are getting 8 core, okay, but here you are getting 4 core. So what you have to do, first you have to decide your physical data center location, that whether you want your servers to be placed in Kansas City data center, or you want your servers to be placed in New York, California and Texas location. If you want your servers to be in Kansas location, then you just refer plan DSX1 to plan DSX7. Read this plan technical information very carefully, and here you will find that these are the price is getting varied as per the specification. Okay, now what you have to do, suppose you have been going through plan 1 to plan 7, and as per your need you feel that DSX5 is best for you. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just click on order now. As soon as you click on order now, this page will be redirected to a new page. Okay, and here you will find USA dedicated server. This is plan 5 and these are the technical details of this plan. Here you choose your billing cycle, how you want to pay the bill. Here just enter NS1 and NS2, these are just the default values, okay, so that the form can be submitted. Data center is obviously Kansas City. Operating system, see, here it's like what you want Linux based operating system, then you can go with CentOS, Debian, Ubuntu or anything, or you want Windows related. Okay, so you can select your operating system from here. Okay, and the technical details are mentioned along with this operating system. Control panel, if you want to have a control panel like WHM panel or plus panel, then you can just select it from here. Otherwise, if you're not interested in purchasing a control panel, then just keep it as none, and then you can just continue. Okay, so as soon as you click on continue, this page will be again redirected to the final page. Now here what you have to do, let me delete this plan. Okay, so here you can find this is the USA dedicated server plan, that is DSX5 plan, okay, which is costing you 12,752 rupees. See, since this is I am using it from India, so this plan is mentioned in rupees, but if you are using it from some international location, then obviously you will get this price in dollars. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to just click on checkout. As soon as you click on checkout, this page will be redirecting you to the final cart page. Here you please enter all your informations very correctly, and remember to enter your correct email address. Okay, or if you are already customer, then you can just click on already registered and you can proceed with this order. See, entering email address correctly is very much important, otherwise your server will get suspended. The main reason is after 10-15 days we find out that your mail ID gets invalid and we are unable to send you the reminder of the payment overdue notices. Okay, so kindly remember to keep your email address correctly, and then here you can see this is the final amount which you have to pay monthly. These are the various payment methods. You can select any of the methods as per your ease and convenience, and then you can click on complete order. As soon as you click on complete order, your order will be completed and will be received by our technical team, and they will start working on same, and they will configure and deliver your server in next 12 to 24 hours. Okay, so this was all about USA dedicated cheap dedicated server, and the data center is located in Kansas City. If you have any further query regarding this service, then you can obviously anytime you can ping us here on our live chat, or you can just comment it down.